everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this video, we will be doing an unboxing for the newest Softlex company design kit, Surf's Up. And Softlex kits are absolutely fantastic. I will leave a link down below in the description for a playlist of all the fantastic kits. They are their monthly kits, and sometimes they'll have special event ones, like for the Great Bead Extravaganza, or if they do a collaboration with another small business. Gives us a sampling of everything that is in the kit. I just love when they do the summer ones or ocean themed. They are some of my favorites. Last year was Turtle Love, and I think that was my favorite kit of all time from Softlex Company. So we have our Softlex wire and fluorite, a Jesse James custom bead mix, and then some ceramic beads. Those are always so fun. And I will leave a link down below as well for all the new ceramic beads that they have on their website. And then we have some exclusive items that are only available in this kit. And they had a sale on the kit. When you spent $99, you were able to get a free kit. And that was, I believe, the first week that this kit launched. Everything that's inside. And then it comes with a little flyer to tell us everything, just a little bit information on it. And you can post on their Facebook group once you make a design with this design kit and be inspired by all other creations. And it's always packaged so nicely. It's like a little gift to yourself, or it's perfect to give to anybody else. It's so beautiful. And you can always use everything with the packaging. Like this cord can be used for a necklace. I kind of have an idea in mind, so stay tuned for that tutorial. Or you can do it with a tassel or sun catcher. So a lot of design possibilities. So let's open up this kit and see what's inside. And before we open this kit, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also, Jesse James Beads does make exclusive bead strands for Softlex Company and have their little tag there on the back. But this strand is not part of the set, but it works perfectly with it. So super, super fun. It looks like a beach party. Perfect theme, surfs up. I am ready for summer. This looks amazing. So we have 10 yards of our Softlex wire in fluorite. You could also use the quartz or the turquoise, or maybe get some of those and braid it together. That would make a really pretty design. Oh, this is gorgeous. A ceramic nautilus shell. How pretty. That is very detailed. I don't know if it's showing on the camera, but you can kind of see there's like a shimmer on it. Super beautiful. That's going to be fun. Now more details. Jesse James Beads does have a custom bead mix, and if there's anything left over, sometimes they will have some extras. They will put them on sale on softluxcompany.com. So if you really love this kit or it sells out, that is a possibility that the kits do sell out. You can always add a couple more of these bead mixes to your collection. So we'll look at that in just a moment. Oh, we have some shells. And these are exclusive to the kit. They're check glass. It just says glass shell beads. So we have these ones, and then we have some of these. So it looks like we have 4 of each design. How pretty. We have 20 silver 2x2s, and this is what is kind of your foundation piece. That's going to hold all of your pieces of jewelry together, or your sun catchers. And then we have some findings and some exclusive items. We have, let's see what's in here. We have some specialty items. Oh, pretty. Very sparkly. We have 6 millimeter silver plated topaz Austrian crystal. So you have 2 of those. And then we have 4 of our little earring findings. A lobster claw. Oh, how cute. Little starfish or sea stars. And these will be available May 28th on softluxcompany.com. How pretty. Very under the sea. And then in this collection, oh, how cute. Ceramic beach balls. And these will be available as well on May 28th. We have the large one in teeny tiny ceramic. And then our ceramic pendant, and this will also be available on the 28th. And then our exclusive items are these beautiful check glass and check glass turquoise beads is what they're calling them. So pretty. I think that would look really pretty with the shell. That's what I love about the Softlex Company design kits is once you open a kit, you're already designing with it. And then we have these bamboo beads. And these are Japanese bamboo carnelian color striped beryl beads. So that's fun. That just kind of reminds me of a surfboard. And then we have one more exclusive item, a 3 millimeter opaque turquoise with travertine fire polish. How beautiful. All those colors just blend together. The Softlex Company design kits, they're fantastic. They have a theme, and sometimes it kind of makes you think outside the box and really kind of be creative with it. But they're so much fun to create with, and you can create a lot of jewelry or beaded decor with it as well. And last but not least, we have our bead mix. Now, it does come with tape around the sides of it, so I went ahead and opened it. See all the little treasures. How beautiful. Very sparkly. This bead right here just stood out to me. If you're into making sun catchers, that would be gorgeous. The little tassels, how cute. These are pretty. They just are perfect for a mermaid. So I get very beach vibes with this. Perfect for summer with the turquoise, the gold. And these ones are really cute too. We have some bead caps and then some little turquoise beads, it looks like. And then these are gold-plated lava. And they might be electroplated, but they're over the lava beads. And then some more little orange beads. I just love these ones. So pretty. And then with those starfish, those would be really pretty together. Or even the shell pendant. I think those would go really well. So super pretty. I'm so excited to start creating. And then we have a little barrel bead, and we have some spacers. We have some daisy spacers. It's always fun when you open up a bead mix, and then you just kind of start sorting them. And sometimes you don't have an idea right away, but it just kind of comes to you once you start designing and organizing all your beads. See how well that bead strand corresponds with it, as well as that beautiful pendant and the starfish. So this looks like a super amazing kit. I can't wait to start creating with it. Stay tuned for all the upcoming tutorials. This one's going to be a really fun kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And don't forget to check out down below in the description for links for this kit if it is still available or the upcoming kit and bead mixes. Have an awesome day.